Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson XP-900. Now this can be done directly from the printer using nothing but the directional arrows, the OK, and the start button over here. So if we take a close look at the screen, first of all we're going to move ourselves along to the right until we get to maintenance. Press OK. Now ink cartridge replacement, it's the bottom option. So press down 3 times, then OK again. I would press OK. And then start to start the replacement. Now after you've pressed this, your printer will move the cartridge cradle over to where it needs to be. Now all of that whirring a second ago will be the ink cartridge cradle moving along to its final position over here, but the plastic's recessed so we can get at the cartridges properly. So I'm going to be replacing 3 ink cartridges today. First of all, we're going to remove the black on the left here. So you press the blue bit to release it, get the cartridge out nice and easy. And take your replacement cartridge, make sure you've removed any polythene around the outside and any other protective packaging. Lots of these will have like a little clamp on the bottom. Take that off. A few will have an additional pull tab, which I would recommend removing before anything you've got on the bottom. So slide that in, back first, and then press down on the closest bit to you till you hear a click. Then just move along to any other cartridges you need to replace, repeating the process. When you're done, you can lower the scanner bed, and your printer should realise the cartridge has been changed and start working. If not, you just press the start button I spoke about earlier. So your printer will be checking the cartridges, making sure it's happy and can read them correctly. You can press OK to go past these warning ones. Just make sure you chuck the other ones in the bin. As you saw there, I'm using non-Epson cartridges, so you do get a warning, but you can just press OK to get straight past it. Get past the prompt about buying Epson extra products, unless of course you're interested. Then press up and OK, and you can carry on with your printing as normal. That's all there is to see here. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do ask down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.